Last of all, knowledgeable sa twisted na bagay.
Next!
Twisted Kinky.
Ayan! Hi, I'm Nicole De Leon. Hi, Nicole! Hi!
Hello!
Message pala to!
Ayun nga pala! Ayun lang, nakalimutan ko nga pala for every pagpapakilala. Biglang ano, hi, Lolo!
Ayan, quiet na ulit. Third year information systems. Uy, boy! Ayan, third year information systems. Head for Comdem na wala namang Comdem. Tapos, feature writer. And, ang gusto ko sa lalaki, mamahalin lang ako at di ako sasaktan!
Samantala ako sa
At susunod na aking EIC! Dito ka! Dito ka!
Take it!
Take it off.
Mr. Ayas!
Reference, chinita, tangkad, kabait, matalino, maputi. Okay na yun.
Yay! Ba't ako? Hindi ako. Ano ako? Chucho! Doon ka sa harapan. Ingay kasi nung kabila eh.
Most of them call me Chucho, and I'm the technical editor of the Sebastian Editor. And I'm happy to say na yung technical section ngayon is medyo compared last year. And I'm happy to quality tech editors kasi na-experience namin natin. But anyway, as for the rest of you guys, I would just like to say na sana ma-enjoy yung party nito because, yeah, bukas, Baskuhan na yung
Paskuhan.
enjoy it, guys. Cheers!
Yes! Walang preference! Ideal preference, girl! By preferences ng girl, ideal girl mo.
Ideal girl, good question, good question. Siyempre, number one. Siyempre, wait lang. Maganda.
Kala-
Medyo white.
Wild?
Preferably with glasses.
Oh, with glasses. Sino mga naka-glasses dyan?
Number two, medyo siyempre kailangan din yan. Because this season is naughty and nice dapat yan. Naughty and nice. Number three, hardworking. Hardworking. Pero not too hardworking. Not too hardworking. Number four,
May nagsasalita po.
Number 4.
thank you. I'll go back to number three. Number three, hardworking, but wag naman masyadong hard. Number four, syempre sexy.
Oh. Oh.
And number five, preferably, magaling mag-English.
Na. Ito na, ay, magaling mag... Ito na yon. Ito na hinahanap mo, Kuya Chuchu. Siya na.